Bitcoin is holding around $110,000, Ethereum keeps leading with strong ETF inflows, and Solana is battling for momentum at $200. With the FOMC decision and seasonal weakness on deck, this weekend could be tricky. Let's break it all down. Macro backdrops. September has a reputation. Historically, it's one of the weakest months for crypto. In fact, Bitcoin has ended September lower about 80% of the time, with average declines near -3.8%. This weekend, all eyes are on the Federal Reserve. Midweek, the FOMC statement could signal whether a rate cut is coming or not. Add in inflation concerns, and the tone of policy is critical. Still, Ethereum-focused ETFs are pulling in strong flows, even as Bitcoin consolidates. That tells us institutions are shifting interest toward ETH. Bitcoin outlook. Bitcoin is trading tight near $110,000, stuck between $108,000 and $112,000. Here's the setup. Base case, sideways chop around $110,000 while the market waits for FOMC. Bull case, a close above $112K, $114K on volume could unlock a move toward $120K, $125K. Bear case, if $108,000 fails, BTC could dip back to $104K, $105K. Trading plan. Buy on stabilization above $112,000. Hold or wait in the range. Step aside if BTC breaks below $108,000 with momentum. Ethereum outlook. Ethereum remains the market star. After rallying from $1,600 in May to nearly $4,300, ETH is still attracting heavy institutional flows. Analysts are calling for potential upside of 60% to 150%, with forecasts stretching toward $7,500 and even $10,000, $12,000 by year-end. For this weekend, watch these levels. Range, $4,300, $4,500. Breakout, above $4,800, $4,900, ETH could sprint toward $5,500, $6,000. Danger, a breakdown below $4,200, $4,300 weakens the bullish setup. Recommendation. Accumulate dips around $4,300, $4,400. At only on breakout above $4,850. Protect positions if ETH loses $4,200. XRP outlook. XRP is quiet, circling around $3 despite legal clarity and ETF optimism. Right now, it lacks a strong catalyst. Game plan. Buy only if XRP clears $3.10 with real volume. Otherwise, expect more sideways movement around $2.95, $3.10. Solana outlook. Solana is holding the line near $199, $200. Recent upgrades like Alpenglow support sentiment, but price action is cautious. If momentum returns, Sol could target $230, $250, and in strong conditions even $300. Strategy. Dip buys near $195, $200. Take profits into $230, $250. Cut losses if Sol drops below $190 decisively. Altcoins and speculative plays. Among altcoins, Remittix is making noise as a cross-border pay-fi token, with over $23 million raised in pre-sale and price near $0.103. High potential, but also high volatility. LayerBrett, LBRETT, an Ethereum Layer 2 meme coin with staking yields above 1000% APY, is also hyped as a community-driven moonshot. Whales continue to accumulate tokens like LILPEPE, Sept, and Bonk. Guidance: keep exposure minimal, no more than 5% of portfolio. Favor projects with real fundamentals. Use strict stops, these are high-risk plays. Weekend blueprint. So here's your tactical roadmap for this weekend. BTC, watch $110,000, small entries above $112K, $114K. Avoid breakdowns below $108,000. ETH, accumulate near $4,300, breakout play above $4,850, cut below $4,200. XRP, stay patient, only act on a real breakout. Sol, play dips near $200 with upside to $250, but protect under $190. Altcoins, keep bets tiny, treat them as trades, not investments. So what do you think? Does Bitcoin hold $110,000, or do we slide into deeper September weakness? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Make sure to subscribe for clear weekly crypto outlooks, and I'll keep you updated as the data and price action unfold. Remember, this is not financial advice, just an analytical tool to help you navigate Sept 6 to 7, 2025.